Going.
Connor has thrown the airplane the farthest so far. He has reached the park.
The park, all the way over there.
Here, let's show everyone where the park is.
Connor has reached the park with his airplane.
Way in there. Jeremy went over here somewhere.
I went pretty far.
I went over there again.
But Alex is going with this new thing.
Let's see it.
I would like everybody to know, in the South Loop, to eat at Joe's.
Or whoever's Joe's is.
Dual hand throw here.
And it's off. It's off. It's gone. It is gone. Folks.
No, it comes back. It'll come back.
Come back to us.
It always comes back.
Yes!
Ah! No, that's not it.
Are you kidding?
Oh, it's gone now. Look at that.
You got the park.
It's gonna get in a good wind.
Come on.
It's coming up too. What the hell? I always land in that parking lot.
Oh, we got a good gust right there.
That's someone's little yard right
Hold
there.
on.
Oh, where is it? It's still going. It's still going.
I can see it through the
It has landed.
trees. Hey,
It might go for a
if it
second.
takes back off, I'll be so proud.
I'm crying. Hey, good job.
Thank you.